Assalamu alaikum. This is Dr. Muhammad Sabiqbal. Today we will talk about data types in R. So we can store data in various ways. We can have numbers or numbers with decimals stored as numeric data type in R. For example, here you can see that this is the numeric data, and numeric has further subtypes. For example, if the numbers are with decimals, then it is called double. And if it is without decimals or if they are integers, they are stored as integers. So whether it is integer or it is double, both types of data can be used for numeric analysis. For example, to run arithmetic operations, to find averages, to find sums, etc. And secondly, we have character data. This is, as you can see, the textual data. So all kind of text can be stored as character in R. For example, here you can see that a text, no value, 1 add 10. So it is important to enclose the textual data in double quotes to tell R that it is a character data type. Even a number enclosed in double quotes is stored as a character. So the thing is, once you enclose it in this way, it will tell R that this is a character data type, and you cannot just sum them or find mean of them, or other numerical operations can be run on them, because it will be stored as text and only textual analysis can be done. So just note the number in quotes. And then we have logical data type. In the logical data type, if you can see here, the data is either in true or false, or capital T and F. So both of them are the types of logical data type, and it is very important specifically for indexation or for to subset the data sets in R. Okay, so just remember that you can write in both ways, either the uppercase true or false, and the capital T and F both represent true or false values. So you can notice that you can use capital letters also for true or false. And then fourth data type is factor. So you are well aware of the scales, nominal scales, which are basically the categories. Categories such as male or female category, or yes or no. So this type of categorical data can be stored as factors in R. In nominal scales, we don't have ordering, meaning that either it is male or it is female, there is no ordering. No one is superior to other. And similarly, in other examples, for example, education, we have various levels: primary, secondary, bachelor's, master's, and PhD. So this is categorical data, but the thing is, there is a clear ordering here. So PhD is the highest level of degree. And then we have class rank. You can be first, second, or third. Again, there is ordering. So this type of data is called ordinal data. And ordinal data can also be stored as factors in R. So once you specify a particular data type, R will run those types of operations on the specific data type that is corresponding to that specific data type. For example, if it is a character, so only textual analysis can be done, and if it is numeric, only numeric analysis can be done, and for logical and for factors, similar is the case. So thank you very much.